Hey guys, it's Sonia here. How are you? I know for the first time in a while I'm not on a bike and I'm not doing a workout and you have me inside. So I wanted to talk today about clutter and chaos. Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I want to ask you how you feel when there is so much clutter in your space. Does it make you feel claustrophobic? Does it make you feel like you just need to escape? So for me right now, this morning, I decided to change my bed. And I decided to take all of my winter sweaters and put them in a big bucket, which leaves me with the 3 or 4 right there that I can wear. And then I have laundry to put away. And when I walk into this room, I am feeling clutter. I am feeling claustrophobic. I am feeling like I don't want to be in this space right now. 99% of the time, the bed is already made, right? But I'm washing the duvet. Oh, it's still in the wash. Okay, so we do this, right? Literally, it's still in the wash. How many of you have tried to throw a duvet in the dryer this time of day? And it's almost 6 o'clock at night, Eastern Standard Time. So we have the same things going on in our mind, the clutter and the chaos. And how are you dealing with it? How are you cleaning it up? How are you rearranging it? How are you aligning with the clutter and the chaos? Jason invites me to co-host. Should I try it? Let's see. Hello, Jason. How are you?
Hello, fine, and you?
Good, good. How do you handle clutter and chaos?
And what?
How do you handle clutter and chaos?
I don't know.
You don't know when things are messy all around you? What is your mind like?
Mm, I don't mind.
You don't mind that? Oh, we lost Jason here. So, guys, clutter and chaos doesn't serve us. And when it's in our head, we need to release it. You know, we can do things like journaling. We can go through books that are maybe religious. We can write out our gratitudes. We've got all of these tools at our fingertips. Look, more clutter and chaos. But sometimes this happens when we're going through something. Sometimes this clutter and chaos shows up in our life to help us prioritize what it is that we are aligned with right now. So yeah, okay, get the duvet in the dryer, put fresh sheets on, put the laundry away. This will be cleaned up in about 5 minutes, guys. But if I didn't clean it up in 5 minutes, if I didn't clean it up right now, if I wasn't feeling well, which I wasn't this afternoon, I took a bit of a nap. But when we keep our spaces tidy, it's easier to keep our mind tidy. And when we've got so much going on in the world, whether it's political, whether it's religious content, whether it is your job or your lifestyle, we've got so much going on in this world that we need to clear that clutter and chaos from our heads so we can focus, so we can drive where we want to be going, so we can be in alignment. And I'm speaking to myself here too, because I have been holding myself back because of all of the clutter and chaos. So, guys, how are we going to fix this? Well, you can reach out to me for support. I am going to clean this up. This was a great chat, by the way, because we need to remember that once we clear out the clutter, we can make room for what it is that we are attracting right now. So that's why this clutter will show up, to remind us what it is that we don't want and how we respect it or turn away from it or do something about it. And once we do that, we are creating space for what is coming our way. Guys, I'm going to head out. I'm going to let you go, but I will post this up on my YouTube channel. I want to send you so much love today. And I want to hear about your chaos and clutter and what's going on in here. I am an accountability coach, helping you keep your promises to yourself. And that includes areas of meals, movement, mindset, and your relationship with money, aka stress. Be sure to follow along to get more tips and tricks on life, really, and how to look at things differently. I'm also on YouTube. All of my social links are in the link in my bio, and I would love to see more of you. So thank you so much for your time today, and I will see you all tomorrow.